Hey, so this is the first experiment. We're going to take a look at um, a process. It's not a reaction, but it's a process. And the idea behind this is thinking about what happens with different processes, and can we determine what kind of rate is what's the change in rate of whatever's happening here. So I have here a tub of pennies, and I have I think 100 pennies. I counted them. Hopefully none of them stuck together, and I put them all heads up. So if you want to try this at home, you need 100 pennies, and you do this all heads up. But if you are just going to follow along, then what you're going to do is record somewhere the first data point with 0 shakes. So on the x-axis, we're going to have shakes, or whatever times we have each thing that we do. We're going to shake it up. So the first one is with 0 shakes, 100 pennies, all heads up. Okay, so we're going to count how many heads up pennies there are total. So 100 is my first data point. I'm going to go ahead and close this now. I'm going to close it. Okay, make sure it's tight. And then you're going to shake it like this. Okay, now we're going to open it up. And then we're going to do is you're going to count. You're going to take out all the tails up pennies and count the remaining heads up pennies. Okay, so I'm going to count like this. You take out this 1, 2, and so on. So I'm going to do this. I'll be right back. Finishing up 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Okay, so there's 51 tails up pennies, which means we have 49 heads up. So those are all the heads up ones. So 49 heads up remaining after 1 shake. So the next data point is 1 shake, 49 heads up. I'm going to cover it again. You're going to see where we're going with this. Ready? Okay, now open back up. Do the same thing. 1, 2, and I'll be right back. 21, 22, 23, 24. So it's 24 tails up, which means there are 25 heads up, because we started with 49. Subtract 24, we got 25 heads up. So 2 shakes, 25. Cover it up again. Ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. I'll be right back. 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so 13, and we got 12. So 13, so 25 minus 13, so we got 12 heads up left. Okay, so 12 heads up after 3 shakes. Here we go. Do the last couple ones together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 tails up, 7 tails up, and we got, whoops, I must have counted wrong somewhere. 6. There are 6 heads up left. Nope. There we go, I missed one. 5 heads up. Okay. So 5 heads up left after 4 shakes, I think. Okay, ready? And we got 1, 2. So 2 tails up. So 3 heads up after, I don't know how many shakes we're on right now. One left. And that's it. One left. And you can stop there. Or you can just keep shaking. See if anything happens. Nope. Nothing happened. There we go. Now the last one is finally tails. So 0. Okay. So now you got to graph it. So take your data, graph it, and shakes on the x-axis, heads up quarters or pennies on the y-axis, and see what kind of decay this is, what kind of process is happening here.